What if I told you that AI can make your business more efficient, automate your tasks, and boost your productivity like never before? Sounds unbelievable, right? But in 2025, AI-powered tools are transforming businesses across industries. Companies using AI productivity tools report a 40% increase in efficiency and 30% faster task completion. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to use them. In this video, we are going to break down the 10 best AI-powered productivity tools for businesses, discussing their features, pricing, and who should use them. Whether you are a startup founder, a corporate professional, or a freelancer, these tools are designed to save you time, reduce cost, and increase your productivity. First up, we have ClickUp AI, one of the most powerful project management tools enhanced with AI-driven automation. ClickUp AI helps you schedule tasks, predict deadlines, and automate repetitive work. It even provides smart suggestions to optimize your workflow. This is perfect for teams that need better organization and task planning. ClickUp AI starts with a free plan, but the AI-powered features are included in the business plan at $12 per user per month. If you are managing multiple projects, remote teams, or looking for a better way to stay organized, ClickUp AI is a perfect choice. Next, let's talk about Notion AI, a game-changing tool for knowledge management, smart notes, and automated content generation. It can summarize reports, generate task lists, and even suggest content ideas based on your notes. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that keeps all your business knowledge organized in one place. Notion AI is available as an add-on for $10 per user per month on the top of the regular Notion subscription. If you are a business owner, content creator, or project manager who deals with large amount of information, Notion AI will save you hours of work. If you write emails, reports, or business proposals, you need Grammarly Business. This AI-powered writing tool corrects grammar, improves tone, and ensures clarity in your communication. It even provides suggestions for professional writing and removes unnecessary words to make your writing more impactful. Grammarly Business starts $15 per user per month, with volume discounts available for teams. Perfect for teams, customer service agents, and professionals who want their writing to be clear, polished, and mistake-free. If you spend too much time writing meeting notes, you will love Zoom AI Companion. This AI-powered feature transcribes meetings, summarizes key points, and even suggests follow-up actions. It ensures you never forget important discussions and helps you stay focused on meetings instead of taking notes. Zoom AI Companion is included in the Zoom Business Plan and Enterprise Plans, which starts at $25 per user per month. Ideal for remote teams, corporate professionals, and business owners who want organized meeting records. Data is the future of business, and Tableau AI makes it easier to analyze and visualize. The AI-powered analytics tool transforms raw data into visual dashboards, helping businesses identify trends, predict customer behavior, and make data-driven decisions. Tableau AI starts at $75 per user per month for the professional plan, based for business analysts, sales team, and executives who rely on data to optimize their strategies. You probably know ChatGPT. But did you know there is a business version tailored for companies? ChatGPT for Business acts as a virtual assistant, automating tasks like writing reports, answering customer queries, and generating content. It can even help teams brainstorm ideas and automate research. OpenAI offers ChatGPT for Business at $30 per user per month, with additional features for enterprises. Perfect for marketing teams, entrepreneurs, and businesses looking to automate content creation and customer engagement. If you hate repetitive tasks, Zapier AI will be your best friend. This AI-powered tool connects different apps and automates workflows, so you don't have to manually copy-paste data or perform repetitive actions. For example, it can automatically add leads from an email to a CRM system. Zapier AI starts at $20 per month, with advanced automation features available at higher tariffs. Businesses that use multiple software tools and want to automate their workflow without coding should definitely consider using Zapier AI. How would you like an AI-powered calendar that schedules meetings for you? Motion AI doesn't just book appointments, it analyzes your workflow, finds the best time slots, and automatically adjusts your schedule based on priorities. Motion AI is available for $19 per user per month. Ideal for busy professionals, executives, and anyone who wants an AI to manage their time efficiently. Jasper AI is an AI card content generation tool that can write blog posts, ad copy, emails, and social media contents in seconds. It is used by top marketing teams to create SEO-friendly content and generate high-converting sales copy. Jasper AI starts at $49 per month for individuals and $125 for businesses. Based for content creators, marketers, and businesses that need fast, high-quality content generation. And finally, if you create videos or podcasts, you need Descript AI. This AI tool allows you to edit audio and video just by editing text. It even provides AI voice tone, automated transcription, and background noise removal. Descript AI offers a free version, but premium feature starts at $15 per month. Perfect for content creators, YouTubers, podcasters, and businesses that are fast at using media editing. AI is changing the way businesses operate, and these 10 tools are leading the revolution. From automating emails and meetings to optimize workflows and content creation, AI is helping businesses save time and increase efficiency. So, which AI tool do you think will have the biggest impact on your work? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more business and AI insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.